I always start with my base coat and seal it off with a quick dry top coat before I start any stamping. I like to use a cleanup brush like Lantern and Wren's angled brush to clean up. I always find it easier to clean up after each coat of my base color. Once you pick up your stamp, sometimes you'll have extra images on the stamp. You can clean off these excess images by going over your stamper with a small piece of Scotch tape to pick up the unwanted images. Now that I have my stamp, I'm going to use the Lantern and Wren Nail Art Detail Brush to fill in the image. I like to put the polish on a small silicone nail art mat. Then I dip my detail brush to pick up the color to paint in my stamp. I check how my stamp is filling in by flipping my stamper over to check for any holes in the image. I apply a sticky base coat to help ensure that my reverse stamp will adhere to my nail. I seal my stamps with a water-based top coat to help prevent smudging. I make sure to let the top coat dry completely 2 minutes or so before applying a quick dry top coat. The quick dry top coat I use to better help prevent chipping. Here I'm applying a latex barrier to protect my skin from the polish from my stamps. I wait until it grows partially translucent to let me know that it's dry. Sometimes mistakes will happen. Now here, I waited too long to apply my stamp, so I didn't get a clear transfer. It's okay because I used a quick dry top coat to seal in my base color. All I have to do is use some Scotch tape to pick up the partial stamp. This will leave my nail ready to apply a full stamp.